In today's digital marketing jungle, email marketing might seem as outdated as a dial-up modem. Social media is flashy, influencers are always vying for attention. It's easy to question, does email still hold its own? You bet it does. Email marketing remains a powerhouse for connecting with customers. Think about it. What's the first thing you check in the morning, even before you brushed your teeth? Your inbox, right? We're all glued to those inboxes, making email marketing a direct line to your audience, and there's a new sheriff in town, and its name is artificial intelligence, AI. Now, before you picture robots firing off emails in a scene straight out of the Terminator, let's clarify what we mean by AI in email marketing. We're talking about intelligent tools that automate tasks, personalize content, and optimize campaigns. Think of AI as your trusty sidekick, taking care of the tedious stuff while you focus on the big picture. Tired of manually segmenting your audience? AI can do it for you, ensuring the right message reaches the right people at the right time. In a world of cookie cutter marketing, AI helps you deliver tailored experiences that resonate with your audience. We're not talking about some futuristic fantasy here. AI-powered email marketing tools are readily available, ready to revolutionize your campaigns. From email marketing giants like MailChimp and HubSpot to specialized AI platforms, there's a tool for every need and budget. These tools are packed with features that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie: predictive analytics, smart recommendations, automated A/B testing. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, even for the least tech-savvy marketer. Let's demystify this whole AI thing. In the realm of email marketing, AI is like having a super smart intern who never sleeps, eats only data, and thrives on repetitive tasks. It's all about algorithms, baby. These algorithms are designed to analyze mountains of data, spot patterns we mere mortals might miss, and make predictions about what your subscribers want. AI doesn't just analyze, it learns and adapts. The more data you feed it, the smarter it gets, constantly refining its predictions and recommendations. It's like having a marketing crystal ball that gets clearer with time. And let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they're on the receiving end of a mass email blast. We all crave that personal touch, that feeling that a brand gets us. AI can analyze subscriber data, past purchases, website activity, even email opens and clicks to create highly targeted segments. This means you can send emails that are tailored to specific interests, demographics, or even purchase history. Talk about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. Time is money, and nobody knows that better than a busy marketer. AI-powered tools can automate a whole slew of email marketing tasks, freeing up your precious time to focus on strategy and creativity. Imagine this: AI can handle A/B testing your subject lines, optimizing send times based on individual subscriber behavior, and even cleaning up your email list by identifying inactive subscribers. It's like having a virtual assistant who never takes a coffee break. And the best part, by automating these tasks, not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of human error. So you can say goodbye to those embarrassing typos or accidental send-all blunders. MailChimp, the old reliable of the email marketing world. But did you know this email veteran has a secret weapon up its sleeve? Yep, MailChimp's gone full on, and it's ready to make your campaign sing like never before. Think of it as giving your email marketing a turbocharged engine. MailChimp's AI can analyze your audience data at warp speed, identifying hidden patterns and preferences that might as well be invisible to the naked eye. It's like having a marketing guru whispering winning strategies in your ear, but without the hefty consulting fees. One of MailChimp's coolest AI tricks is its subject line tester. MailChimp's AI takes the guesswork out of the equation, predicting which subject line will make your subscribers' eyes light up and fingers click. Timing is everything in email marketing, and MailChimp's AI knows it. MailChimp's AI ensures your message lands in the inbox at the perfect time, like a well-timed punchline. If you're serious about email marketing, and let's face it, you wouldn't be reading this if you weren't, then HubSpot is a major player in the game. And just like MailChimp, HubSpot has embraced the power of AI to supercharge your campaigns. One of HubSpot's standout AI features is its segmentation prowess. HubSpot's AI is like a customer sorting hat, effortlessly organizing your contacts into hyper-targeted segments based on their behavior, demographics, and even their stage in the buyer's journey. It ensures the right message reaches the right people at the right time, maximizing your chances of engagement and conversions. HubSpot's AI can also analyze your past email performance, identifying what's worked well and what hasn't. It's like having a data-driven coach in your corner, helping you refine your email strategy based on hard evidence, not guesswork. Now, if you're looking for a truly enterprise-level AI email marketing solution, Marketo is where you want to be. One of Marketo's most impressive AI capabilities is its predictive content. Marketo's AI analyzes each subscriber's behavior, interests, and engagement history to predict what content they're most likely to find valuable and engaging. It's like having a content whisperer on your team, guiding you toward the topics, formats, and offers that will resonate most with your audience. Marketo's AI can also personalize the entire email experience, from the sender name and subject line to the call to action and email design. It's like having a team of email marketing ninjas working behind the scenes, crafting hyper-personalized campaigns that are practically guaranteed to get results. All right, marketing masterminds, we've geeked out about the why of AI in email marketing. Now let's get down to the how. Don't worry, you won't need a degree in rocket science or even a basic understanding of algorithms to make AI work for you. Most AI platforms are designed with user-friendliness in mind. They come with intuitive dashboards, helpful tutorials, and even dedicated support teams to hold your hand through the process. Most AI tools seamlessly integrate with your existing email marketing platform. Think MailChimp, HubSpot, etc., and other marketing automation tools you might be using. Once you've got your tools playing nicely together, it's time to set your goals. Data is the fuel that powers those intelligent algorithms, enabling them to make accurate predictions and deliver personalized experiences. But not all data is created equal. You need clean, relevant, and up-to-date data to get the most out of your AI tools. This means ensuring your email lists are accurate, your customer data is organized, and you're tracking all the right metrics. The more data you feed your AI, the smarter it becomes. With consistent reinforcement and the right information, your AI will learn to recognize patterns, predict behavior, and make recommendations that align with your marketing goals. Focus on data that can directly impact your email marketing efforts, such as website activity, email engagement, purchase history, and demographic information. Even with the power of AI, there's always room for improvement. Think of your AI-powered email campaigns as a high-performance race car. Regular testing and optimization are crucial for ensuring your campaigns are performing at their best. This means A/B testing different subject lines, email designs, and calls to action to see what resonates most with your audience. AI can analyze the results of your A/B tests at lightning speed, identifying winning variations, and automatically optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI features, settings, and strategies. By continuously monitoring your campaigns, analyzing the data, and making adjustments, you can ensure your AI is working hard to deliver exceptional results. Let's talk about the real deal. Can AI transform your email marketing? Absolutely. Real companies are using AI to achieve amazing email marketing results. Take Stitch Fix, for example. They use AI to personalize styling. Their email marketing reflects this personalized approach. The result, higher engagement and increased loyalty. Section 2, from skeptic to believer, when AI turns doubters into evangelists. Look, I get it. You've been burned before by marketing hype. You've tried the latest tools only to feel underwhelmed and cheated. But trust me, AI is different. It's not just another marketing buzzword. Countless marketers have gone from skeptics to believers, amazed by AI's power. They once rolled their eyes, now they sing AI's praises. Implementing AI, they saw dramatic increases in metrics. Now they're AI evangelists, spreading the word. These are just a few examples of AI's transformative power. Section 1, the future is AI. Email marketing evolves. We've journeyed through the wilds of AI in email marketing, folks. We've seen how this tech can be your secret weapon, not some scary sci-fi takeover. Remember those old school marketers who swore by printed catalogs and snail mail? They probably scoffed at email too, right? Look how that turned out. AI is not here to replace your marketing know-how. It's here to think of it as the ultimate power-up, giving you superhuman abilities to personalize, optimize, and analyze like never before. Those late nights stressing over subject lines, gone. Those tedious hours segmenting lists manually. History. The future of email marketing isn't just about sending the right message. It's about creating and picture this, emails that adapt in real time based on a subscriber's actions, interactive content that feels like a conversation, not a one-sided sales pitch. AI makes it all possible, taking email marketing from static to dynamic, from May to mind-blowing. Section 2, buckle up, marketers. It's going to be a wild ride. The AI revolution in email marketing is just getting started, my friends. This isn't a fad. It's a fundamental shift in how we connect with our audiences. Those who embrace the power of AI will be the ones leading the pack, while those stuck in the dark ages of generic blast will be left wondering where it all went wrong. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI email marketing tools, experiment, test, and don't be afraid to push boundaries. This is your chance to unleash your inner marketing maverick to create campaigns that are as innovative as they are effective. The future of email marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Buckle up, marketers. It's going to be a wild and profitable ride.